Hello friends, welcome to the another episode of my Nelson's Creativity and Gardening. And today we have another very important and very beautiful plant, and I'm going to talk about it. And the name of the plant is spider plant. Come, I will show you what this plant is all about and what this plant does, what it plant needs and what it doesn't need. So today I'll be sharing with you a lot about spider plants. I'll focus on some of my plants. This is my mother plant, if you see. Then we have another one here. This is another one. I've just done it from the root. This is another one. So without wasting time, let's begin with my spider plants. Yes, these spider plants are very beautiful variegated ones. If you see at the leaf, this is green and little lemonish yellow shade lining. This comes in two varieties. One is pure green and the other one is this one. And these plants are best for hanging purposes. If you see, they give a lot of puffs. Look here, beautiful puffs. And when you put it in a basket or something, it hangs beautifully with all this hanging, moving in the air, making your garden more lively. And as summers are approaching, this is a very good greenery for your garden. You see, as the winters have gone, the winters had spoilt my plant, and now if you see, the season has come and gradually they are coming up nicely. See the nice shade I'll show you. So this is here. How we can do propagation of this plant is, let me share that first. See, if you see from here, do you see the difference here? So this is the place where we can cut this and make it into a different plant. I just did some cutting and I got this plant done, and similarly I got that one done. And today I'm going to share another method of propagation of this plant. This was another, if you see, another twig just like this, the pup coming up, another pup here coming up, and I had put it in this. I had just dipped the tip of the pup in the mud, and gradually I feel some rooting has taken place. So if you see it here, first and foremost, if you see here, look, this the twig of the pup is gradually drying. So we take a sterilized knife. Ensure that your knife is sterilized, because if it's sterilized, only then you can have a proper cutting of your plant without any bacteria or any further destruction of your plant. So I'll just do some cutting here, and I just wanted to show this to you practically, because I've been speaking and telling about this a lot of plants, and a lot of people have asked me, and they have asked me very clearly that how do you manage this cutting. So I'll just cut it right in front of you, and here I'm going to cut it. If you see it here, this is the place, and I did that cutting here, and I had done this over here. I've pulled it out for you just to show you. See, some rooting has started here. If you see very clearly, some roots have started coming up. They've started taking the mud with them. So this is how the propagation of this spider plant takes place. This is a very nice plant, and a lot of gardener friends do a lot of propagation this way. And I'm just trying to remove the rotten leaves. And here, if you see them very clearly, we have the roots coming up, and this is what I had done. I had dipped it in the mud, and finally these roots have come up. So this is another method of propagation. What we can do is, we just need to draw some soil out of it. I'll put it here, and then I'll put some mud back again, gradually. I'll take out these separate ones. I'll put them in another pot. And if you see here, so this is finally, I have done it practically for you how we have to. And then look at here, this is another pup one. So here I have one small roots coming up here. This is the second one, and then I have the third one. So just by one pup we can have multiple plants coming up. And I will focus, I'll plant this later. So as of now I'll just put it and I'll do that later. But I just want to focus on my mother plant. So if you see on my mother plant, just I'll show you again. I've already done a cutting. I've made a plant here. This is the practical one that I've done. And then you see here, these are multiple ones that are coming from here. You see, we can do another cutting from here. We can take another cutting from here. We can just cut it. And you see, these are two separate plants now. So I can easily cut it and propagate into a new pot. So friends, this was all about the spider plants. They are good. They are also nice air purifiers at times. So till then, friends, stay safe, happy gardening, and I hope you will love, like, and subscribe to my channel. Till then, stay safe. Bye-bye.